Also at the end of the season, which is the 2024-2025 pre-season Kotoko be no. Wouldn't say Kotoko be ko Europe tour. Na Europe tour no confirmation ba kwaba regarding teams Kotoko ne ombebo no. SHALKE O4 de no na ene confirmation about date no ewa ha. Kotoko versus SHALKE O4, it is happening. Na date ben ena eba so details and more ewa ha me de bro if you say Kotoko beko Switzerland, yeah, Swiss. Now of course Swigs na we are told so obebo FC Basel. Said you want for can FC Bar no abo opokunti team akobon Swiss ho your friend no Grasshoppers FC and also a team Kotoko bebo. Kotoko is believed say obeko either Spain or Italy no akobo one of the top clubs ewo ho. Yeah, something, yeah, Medina escape me. Make up, and also a bit more, but for now, the impending for a confirm me and anopa reports about to say dates no, I confirm no, yeah, SHALKE O4 July 20th, and sa March no confirmation no, na confirmation no, Kotoko officially imposti saying it here, but various reports have been through the agency of broker deal no. Any communications in so also between SHALKE O4 no, it is alluding to the facts a game number also 20th of July. Swiss and Germany no ultimate for bus everywhere into we understand the Kotoko Bob Basel and Grasshoppers we are normal for coach and as a train normally the Germany normal about SHALKE O4 no na Century Bako or cry a friend Enoch Wallace or one of the senior journalists ewo kruma or also I reacted to the news or just say game no a battle between that period and upon reports in the better abontain which is 20th of July 2024 Germany. Now they'll post it in a way I was saying German club FC SHALKE O4 will reportedly engage Ghana Premier League giant Asante Kotoko Sporting Club in an off-season friendly game on July 20 in Germany. The Pokopan Warriors also are likely to play Grasshopper Club in Switzerland. They said in America after Switzerland, no normal movie to Germany. Now we the BBA fine. Fans in Shisha and Minante, Samete no yabeba na yabe update e as usual. I know your super 24 TV on subscribe ya wadaroma or hit the red subscribe at no about the man so now ya build it together information there we are say